Hey everyone, today I am breaking down the full 2D animation workflow in a simple way, so if you are a beginner, you can follow this. Brainstorming. We'll start with brainstorming. This is where you look for inspiration and choose the style you want. Maybe you love Japanese anime, maybe Western cartoons, or maybe you want your own unique style. This step helps you set the direction for your animation. Sketching. Next is sketching, and trust me when I say this, you should use a drawing book for this. Rough sketches help you explore ideas freely. This is where your characters, poses and expressions start to form. And don't skip this part, it gives you a foundation for your future animations. Storyboarding. After sketching, you move into storyboarding. This is where you plan the main scenes and shots of your animation. Your keyframes go here. The most important poses that guide everything you animate later, they all go here. Storyboarding is also where you decide how the characters express emotions, how they move, and how you want to present them to the audience. And again, don't skip storyboarding. It's one of the most important part when you're doing animations. Animation. Then comes animation. You take the keyframes from your storyboard and clean them up. After that, you add in-betweens. And remember, the number of in-betweens is not everything. More in-betweens make the animation smoother, but sometimes make it feel stiff. Fewer in-betweens can give you a more expressive or punchy motion. So trust your style and choose what works best for you. Compositing. And finally, compositing. This part is honestly one of the most powerful steps, and you should never underestimate it. When you do compositing correctly, you can literally change the quality of your whole animation. It feels like almost a cheat code. In compositing, you can fix mistakes from your animation, adjust the vibe of the scene, and make the whole shot feel more alive. You work on matching colors, adding effects, and adding shadows and light. And when you understand how shadows behave, how light bounces, and how those tiny details work, your animation gets a huge upgrade. Trust me when I say this, these small subtle things can add real value to your work. So learn compositing well, because it can make your animation look creative, polished and professional. And that's the simple 2D animation workflow. If you focus on each step, building a strong foundation and keep practicing, and you will see your animation improve faster than you ever think.